Hello viewers, today I was telling about add more than one picture to Instagram stories. For that we need to go to Instagram and go to your story and click on camera and go to gallery and take a picture which did you want. I was taking Krishna Divan photo and here we need to add one more photo means we need to go to here we see a symbol of stickers, click on that, scroll down, here we see a symbol of plus, click on that. It means it's a picture of adding photos or videos. So I was clicking on another picture of Krishna. Like this we can add one and more than one picture to Instagram stories. Thank you.